Halong Bay, where myth meets reality. As the sun rises over Halong Bay, mist hangs low, casting an ethereal glow over the landscape. Thousands of islands rise majestically from the sea, each one a silent sentinel of time. It's truly a scene from a dream, a place where reality feels like a distant memory. Legend has it that a dragon created this place, crashing into the sea, its tail carving out these majestic islands. The dragon's spirit is said to still linger, watching over the bay. Myth or reality? Here in Halong Bay, the line between them blurs, creating a tapestry of stories and natural wonders. The air is warm and humid. The smell of salt water fills your lungs, invigorating your senses and grounding you in the present moment. Fishermen head out in their boats, their silhouettes stark against the rising sun. They are the lifeblood of this place, continuing traditions passed down through generations. This place is a timeless beauty, seemingly untouched by time. The landscape remains as it has for centuries, a testament to nature's enduring power. The water is emerald green, clear and inviting. It beckons you to explore its depths and discover the secrets it holds. Beneath the surface, fish dart among the rocks and coral reefs teem with life. The underwater world is a vibrant contrast to the serene beauty above. Above, birds circle overhead, their cries echoing across the water. They are the guardians of the sky, adding to the symphony of nature. Halong Bay is not only a UNESCO World Heritage Site but a place of rich culture and history. Its natural beauty is simply breathtaking, a reminder of the world's wonders. The bay is a living museum, where every rock and wave tells a story of the past. The local villagers engage in traditional activities, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the bay. They are the keepers of ancient customs, preserving the heritage of this magical place. Tourists explore Halong Bay on boats, eager to experience its wonders firsthand. They come from all corners of the globe, drawn by the bay's allure and the promise of adventure. As the day comes to a close, the sunset casts golden hues over the bay, transforming it into a canvas of colors. It's a sight that leaves an indelible mark on the soul, a memory to be cherished forever. When night falls, the sky over Halong Bay is a blanket of stars, their reflections dancing on the water. It's a moment of pure magic, where the universe feels within reach. A local guide shares stories of Halong Bay, weaving tales of myth and history. Their words bring the bay to life, adding depth to its already rich tapestry. The caves and grottos of Halong Bay are natural wonders in their own right. They are hidden gems, waiting to be explored, each one a testament to the bay's geological marvels. The lush greenery and wildlife of Halong Bay add to its charm. It's a place where nature thrives, a sanctuary for countless species. The floating villages of Halong Bay are a unique sight. They are communities built on water, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. The limestone pillars of Halong Bay stand tall and proud, sculpted by the forces of nature over millennia. They are the sentinels of the bay, guardians of its secrets. Halong Bay's serene and tranquil atmosphere is a balm for the soul. It's a place where you can find peace and reconnect with nature. The vibrant markets of Halong Bay are a feast for the senses. They are bustling hubs of activity where you can experience the local culture and flavors. Traditional music and dance performances in Halong Bay are a celebration of its rich cultural heritage. They are a window into the soul of the bay, a glimpse of its vibrant spirit. The sunrise and sunset views in Halong Bay are nothing short of spectacular. They are moments of pure beauty, where the sky and sea merge in a symphony of colors. The hidden beaches of Halong Bay are secluded paradises. They are perfect spots for relaxation and reflection, away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. For the adventurous, Halong Bay offers a plethora of activities. From kayaking to rock climbing, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The culinary delights of Halong Bay are a treat for the taste buds. Fresh seafood, traditional dishes, and exotic flavors await those who seek a gastronomic adventure. Night cruises in Halong Bay offer a different perspective. The bay takes on a mystical quality under the moonlight, a serene and enchanting experience. Local artisans at work in Halong Bay showcase the region's craftsmanship. Their creations are a blend of tradition and innovation, a testament to the bay's artistic heritage. Halong Bay's eco-friendly initiatives are a step towards preserving its natural beauty. Efforts to protect the environment ensure that future generations can enjoy this magical place. The spiritual sites of Halong Bay offer a place for reflection and meditation. They are sanctuaries of peace, where you can connect with your inner self. Festivals and celebrations in Halong Bay are vibrant and joyous. They are a time for the community to come together and celebrate their shared heritage. Panoramic viewpoints in Halong Bay offer breathtaking vistas. They are perfect spots to take in the full grandeur of the bay, a sight that will stay with you forever. The unique flora and fauna of Halong Bay add to its allure. It's a place where biodiversity thrives, a haven for nature lovers. Historical landmarks in Halong Bay tell the story of its past. They are reminders of the bay's rich history and cultural significance. The serene night sky of Halong Bay is a sight to behold. It's a place where you can stargaze and lose yourself in the beauty of the cosmos. Local legends and folklore in Halong Bay add to its mystique. They are stories passed down through generations, enriching the bay's cultural tapestry. Halong Bay's natural wonders are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. They are a reminder of the world's incredible diversity and the importance of preserving it. The tranquil waters of Halong Bay are a soothing balm for the soul. They invite you to relax, reflect, and reconnect with nature. Halong Bay's cultural heritage is rich and diverse. It's a place where history, tradition, and nature come together to create a unique and unforgettable experience. The breathtaking landscapes of Halong Bay are a feast for the eyes. They are a reminder of the world's natural beauty and the importance of preserving it for future generations. The serene atmosphere of Halong Bay is a balm for the soul. It's a place where you can find peace, tranquility, and a deep connection with nature. The unique geological formations of Halong Bay are a testament to the power of nature. They are a reminder of the world's incredible diversity and the importance of preserving it. Halong Bay's vibrant culture is a celebration of its rich heritage. It's a place where history, tradition, and nature come together to create a unique and unforgettable experience. The stunning vistas of Halong Bay are a feast for the eyes. They are a reminder of the world's natural beauty and the importance of preserving it for future generations. The vibrant marine life of Halong Bay is a sight to behold. It's a place where you can witness the wonders of the underwater world and marvel at its beauty. Halong Bay's beauty is no accident. It is the result of millions of years of geological processes. Nestled in the Gulf of Tonkin, this area was once a vast limestone plateau. Over time, the relentless forces of erosion sculpted the limestone, creating caves, grottos, and arches while the sea level rose and fell, forming the iconic islands of Halong Bay. Each island is unique. Some are towering pillars of rock, others small and covered in lush vegetation, and all are home to a variety of plant and animal life, many of which are endemic to the area. The geological formations of Halong Bay continue to evolve even today, shaped by the ongoing forces of erosion, making this place a dynamic and ever-evolving testament to the power of nature. Halong Bay is steeped in history and legend. This stunning bay, located in northeastern Vietnam, is not just a natural wonder but also a place where myths and historical events intertwine to create a rich tapestry of cultural heritage. The name itself, Halong, means descending dragon, a reference to one of the most famous legends associated with the area. According to local folklore, a dragon descended into the bay, scattering jewels from its mouth. These jewels transformed into the islands and islets that now dot the bay, creating a natural fortress that protected Vietnam from invaders. This legend is not just a story but a reflection of the deep connection between the people and their land. The bay has been inhabited for thousands of years, with archaeological evidence suggesting that humans lived here in prehistoric times. Excavations have uncovered tools, pottery, and other artifacts that provide a glimpse into the lives of these early inhabitants. These findings indicate that Halong Bay was a thriving center of human activity long before recorded history. The sheltered waters of Halong Bay provided a safe haven for thriving fishing communities. For generations, these communities have relied on the bay's abundant marine resources for their livelihoods. The unique geography of the bay, with its calm waters and numerous islands, created an ideal environment for fishing and aquaculture. Halong Bay has also played a significant role in Vietnam's military history. The islands provided a natural defense against invaders, and the Vietnamese Navy used the bay as a strategic base, fending off numerous attacks over the centuries. The bay's complex network of islands and caves offered perfect hiding spots and ambush points, making it a formidable natural fortress. Today, the remnants of this rich history can still be seen in the ancient temples and pagodas that dot the islands. These structures, some of which date back hundreds of years, are a testament to the enduring cultural and spiritual significance of Halong Bay. The fishing villages that cling to the shores also offer a glimpse into the traditional way of life that has persisted here for centuries. The spirit of the past is palpable here, making Halong Bay a place where history truly comes alive. Visitors can explore the bay's many caves and grottos, each with its own story to tell, or take a boat tour to see the islands up close. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply the natural beauty of the area, Halong Bay offers a unique and immersive experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Life on Halong Bay is uniquely tied to the rhythm of the sea. Fishing is the lifeblood of the communities here, with generations of fishermen casting their nets in these waters, relying on the sea for their livelihood. The people of Halong Bay are known for their resilience, having adapted to life on the water. Many live in floating houses anchored to the seabed, rising and falling with the tide. These communities are close-knit, relying on each other for support. Life on the water comes with its challenges, but the people of Halong Bay face them with a smile, warm and welcoming to visitors. Those visiting Halong Bay can experience this unique way of life firsthand, taking boat trips to floating villages, meeting the locals, learning about their customs, and even trying their hand at fishing. Section 5. A Feast for the Senses, Culinary Delights of Halong Bay. Halong Bay is a feast for the senses, and this is especially true when it comes to food. The seafood here is legendary. Freshly caught each day, it is the heart of Halong Bay cuisine. The flavors are delicate and delicious. One of the most famous dishes is shamuk. These are fried squid cakes, crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, often served with a dipping sauce. Another popular dish is engan, small, saltwater clams that are steamed or boiled and eaten with rice, possessing a unique, slightly sweet flavor. No trip to Halong Bay is complete without trying the local seafood. It is an experience not to be missed. Section 6. Festive spirit, celebrating life on the bay. The people of Halong Bay know how to celebrate. Their vibrant festivals and events are a testament to their rich cultural heritage and their love for life. Throughout the year, festivals and events bring the bay to life, blending ancient traditions with modern influences and offering a glimpse into the soul of Halong Bay. These celebrations are not just events, they are a way of life, deeply rooted in the community's history and traditions. One of the most important festivals is the Yen Tu Festival, taking place in the spring, celebrating the birth of Buddhism in Vietnam. This festival is a spiritual journey for many, a time to reflect and connect with their faith. Pilgrims from all over the country flock to Yen Tu Mountain, visiting the many temples and pagodas that dot the mountainside. The journey to the top is both a physical and spiritual ascent, offering breathtaking views and a sense of peace and accomplishment. Another important festival is the Halong Carnival, an annual event that is a riot of color and sound, featuring parades, street performances, and live music. This carnival is a feast for the senses, with vibrant costumes, energetic dances, and the infectious rhythm of traditional music. It's a celebration of the local culture and a time for people to come together, celebrate their heritage, and enjoy the festive atmosphere. The carnival is a showcase of the community's creativity and spirit, a time when the streets come alive with joy and laughter. These festivals add another layer to the Halong Bay experience. They offer visitors a chance to immerse themselves in the local culture, to see the bay through the eyes of its people, and to understand the traditions that have shaped this unique corner of the world. Whether it's the spiritual journey of the Yen Tu Festival or the vibrant celebration of the Halong Carnival, these events are a testament to the enduring spirit of the people of Halong Bay. They are a reminder that life here is not just about the stunning landscapes, but also about the rich cultural tapestry that makes this place truly special. Section 7. Navigating the Wonder, Exploring Halong Bay's Gems. Halong Bay is best explored by boat. Traditional junk boats, made of wood and used in Halong Bay for centuries, now outfitted with modern amenities, provide a comfortable way to experience the bay. Cruises typically last for 1 to 3 days and take visitors to the most iconic spots in the bay, including Sungsat Cave, also known as Surprise Cave, one of the largest and most impressive caves in Halong Bay. Another must-see is T-Top Island. This small island offers stunning panoramic views of the bay. Visitors can climb to the top of the island and see for miles in every direction. Kayaking is another popular way to explore Halong Bay, allowing visitors to get up close and personal with the limestone islands, paddle through hidden lagoons and sea caves, and discover secret beaches. Section 8. The Human Touch. Meeting the people of Halong Bay. The real beauty of Halong Bay lies not just in its landscapes but in its people. The people of Halong Bay are warm, welcoming, and resilient. They are proud of their heritage and eager to share it with visitors. Take the time to interact with the locals, visit a floating village, learn about their way of life, and try your hand at fishing. You will be rewarded with smiles and genuine hospitality. The people of Halong Bay are the heart and soul of this magical place. Their stories, traditions, and way of life add depth and richness to the visitor's experience. By engaging with the locals, you will gain a deeper appreciation for Halong Bay and leave with memories that will last a lifetime.